Alright, I got my basket. Inside you have all the instructions of what you need to pick out. So let's go shopping. Body. Okay. Legs. Okay. Center leg. Yep.
So all the pieces that you need are on the inside of your basket, the motivator, and a shell. The motivators come in black.
Oh, that's cool.
That one?
That one's
Yeah.
cool.
Let's go.
Are we ready to go? Wonderful. So I'm going to send you down to station 11. They're ready for you.
Thank you.
All right, your basket is right here. When you're ready to screw the legs in, here's your screwdriver. This is the front of your R unit, and these are your legs. So the front of the legs on where the wires are. So you want those facing forward.
Okay, this is the front right
That
here.
is the front. If you need any help, push this button, and we'll come right over.
Okay.
And this one is for the
All right. Got to open the legs here. The legs do not come open. You got to get this space plastic off. Got it. So there's actual like prongs that just kind of you feel them pop in. So you don't have to worry, and then you just tighten the screw in with the screwdriver.
So these are the directions for the BB unit. And then these are the directions for the R unit.
So that just literally pops on and you twist it and it's on.
What's over there?
So these are all the little parts you put in these that are open right now. So like pops in right there. So that covers that up. And then these go there and just snap right in. Just like that. So far, so good. And I think that's it.
How we doing here?
Good.
Let's make some magic.
Let's do it.
What's happening? What's happening here? Okay. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Yes. Yes. Ah!
Oh, there it is.
Okay. Nobody move. Okay, activating. Fantastic. Ha! 1, 2, 3.
Let's make a droid.
Let's make a deal. Make a miracle. Eric, watching you. The brain's working.
Like I said.
All good. Now me, him, I just let him. A little confused.
There we go.
There you go. Say hi to mama. I like your antennas.
Thank you.
It's a walking thing.
Yeah.
It is.
It's smelly.
The reception's a little fuzzy.
I bet. Okay, congratulations. You have a baby.
All right.
You have a name for it.
Not yet.
Don't
We'll
rush it.
figure one.
You have to finish.
Yeah.
Okay, attention. Back, 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 forward, forward. Touch it. If it's not like that, it's not gonna work.
Okay.
All feet flat. You practice.
Okay.
Don't kill the babies. It's a newborn.
Don't
Be careful.
kill the baby.
Be gentle. Be gentle. You practice at home. Good job. Good job. Yeah.
A lot of work.
It does. Yeah. It was a hard labor. Okay. Origami. It took me a whole week to learn this. We're guys, not girls.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, only
Very
girls can.
true.
Only girls
Very
can.
true.
Okay, you close that. I did the hard part. You do the easy part.
All right.
Do something. Come on. Field loader.
Got it.
Congratulations. You have a baby.
Thank you so much,
Have
sir.
fun, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.